Okay, so I have my Photowall canvas laid out, face down on the table. I've got my brackets and my screws. You can see no kind of screwdrivers required, it works with that. You have the wood, mine is dead square so it's easy. You can see a protrusion along this edge and the 3M tape, and so what they say is the protrusion he says, mouthful, faces inwards, and you must have, not allow, 12 millimeters at either end of you. Either end of you. It's been a rough weekend, guys. It really has. Too much meds and too much stress. And that don't work. I did say 12 millimeters. Sorry, keep filming. This happens, doesn't it? It's a bit of an IKEA situation. It comes from Sweden as well, isn't it? Yeah. Right, so they are all the same length. It says to allow at either end 12 millimeters. Do you know what? Am I being thick here? But that's okay. It's okay to be thick. I'm going to line it up. There are slits. Can you see? There's like slits in the canvas there. I'm going to line it up with those because it isn't 12 millimeters. I can guarantee you that. Peel off the double-sided tape. Now this is the bit where you don't want to mess up, Richardson. To there, to me, to you, and it's on. There you go. That is one done. Now that's magic. Right, so we get the idea. Oh, that always happens, doesn't it? Look, always leaves one bit. Why is it gonna... Now my finger's gonna stick to it. It's alright, I'm messing around. It is not difficult. I'm gonna move around the table. Sorry about the squeaking. I've got new tyres on my chair and they're very... No, I'm sticking to it. Protrusion inwards to the split. Look at this, professional, absolute professional. That's another one on. Now then, obviously, you know, it's a bit more difficult for me to move around than it would be for some. So let's cut there. I'll get the rest put on. You get the idea with that. Okay. Now, as Blue Peter would have said, here's one we made earlier. So now it is apparently a case of flapping in the ends. Oh look, they do. They stick up to the old double-sided there, like that. You'll have to excuse my belly being squished there. I'm a cake eater, and I make no apologies. Oh, got a bit of tape left on the end there. Actually very, very simple. Quite a lot better than it would be to staple it together, I can tell you that. And now we turn these in. Now it's going to be tight because it's stretching the canvas, so they're going to be a bit, you know, like that. And I have 4, 2 and 4 with thumb screws, and then the idea is you put them in there like that, and then this is actually a bloody good idea. I tell you what, this is an ingenious little canvas idea. I've seen ones where it's a metal kind of alloy frame and you pull the canvas round and it has a groove here, and what you do is you pull the canvas tight and you push in a piece of plastic tubing which holds it. But this here is very, very clever indeed, and they've really thought this one through. So you get the idea. I have taken a lot of meds to get me through this weekend, so I'm a little bit fingers and thumbs, and I'm overheating because even a simple task like this leaves me hot and feeling very unwell. So we'll stop there, we'll cut here, and I will come back when I have all 4 in place and show you the final result. Okay, so the brackets are on. What I've done is I've applied pressure so that the wood... He didn't do that one up, did he? Error. So that the wood is all in line, all nice and tight. All the brackets are done up. I would recommend checking them again in about a week. Things like that settle in, don't they? The canvas is cut perfectly to the edges. Look at those corners. Absolutely. I tell you what a fantastic kit. And there she is. Olivia Grace Richardson, now 1 year old, sat in her buggy one day when it was very cold. And a very proud Gramps, and a very proud Gramps to have it now on a canvas. And I tell you what, go and check them out, Photowall. I will put the link down in the description, and if you're looking at this on the website, it will be there. I will place the Photowall logo on there. That is not an infringement. It's just to let you know I'm reviewing for them. You would be so stupid to think otherwise. And that is that. Photowall, based in Sweden. But don't worry, there is a UK site you can order from. We ordered this around about the middle of last week, I think it was. Dispatched the same day and arrived with us today. And I'm going to get this on the wall. I'm not going to get this on the wall. Who am I kidding? I'm in a wheelchair, I can't get this on the wall. I'm going to phone my father-in-law and offer him a bribe of tea and biscuits to come and put this on the wall for me. And that is that. I will report back once it's been up a couple of weeks. We'll have a look at how the frame's handled, how it still looks on the wall, etc. Because things do take time to settle in, don't they? And that is that. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.